So, since na-compute na natin to, meron na tayong 33.229 days. So, ngayon, meron tayong 33.29 days. Ita-times natin sa 17.34. So, saan to galing? Ito yung budgeted na 17.34 metric tons a day. Okay? So, ang total consumption niya is 576.19086 metric tons of fuel. So, ito yung magiging sagot dito. 576.19086 metric tons. So, ito yung fuel consumption natin sa voyage na Malaysia to Brazil. Okay?